If you don't wish to use a data model, you can take action on a list of selected tables from selected schemas. This approach could be used for databases with a large number of tables. This could include every table if needed, which is selected automatically when the schema is selected. So let's run through that process. If I wanted to create a new cartridge, I would give it an appropriate name. I would also select database to file as the type. But the key change here is instead of selecting model as the source, I will select schema. And then I have the opportunity to specify the tables that will be targeted. Then if I wanted to navigate to the relevant database, I can select the relevant database, and then all of the tables in that database will be listed and selected. You now have the opportunity to deselect the relevant tables, such as large audit tables or tables which are not required for the test data management use case. So if I wanted to deselect the order tax table, I can do so here, but I can also deselect other tables at a later point as well if I wanted to. Again, these could be tables which are large audit tables or tables not required for the test data management use case. If I wanted to move over to the data masking options, again, we have similar steps which are available as before. If I wanted to apply dictionaries to mask columns such as the names, the email addresses, or the street addresses, again, I can use the search to add in specifically a dictionary for the street in the Netherlands. But I can also add in things such as format preserve and encryption for columns such as the phone number or also the BSN number, for example. So if I wanted to add in the following to maintain the leading 3 characters and replace the rest with ciphertext, I could do so as follows. So again, this is just to summarize what we have seen. We can take every table and we can copy into test and protect columns as necessary using a schema as the source. And alternatively, we can also take every table first and then deselect the certain tables, such as very large audit tables or tables which are not required specifically for the test data management use case.